Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation on anxiety. We start by making sure we're not going to be disturbed in a quiet room, preferably with the light dimmed to reduce distractions. Light a candle and an incense stick to create the right atmosphere if you want. Sit with your back straight, either on a meditation cushion, meditation stool, or on a straight back chair. Close your eyes and rest your hands on your lap, either palms down or palms up. Now, starting with your diaphragm, take the deepest of deep breaths, filling your lungs until they can take no more air. Hold this for a few seconds before slowly, ever so slowly, letting the air escape from your mouth and nose. Repeat this for a few seconds. When you breathe in, imagine that you're being filled with calmness. And when you breathe out, imagine your body feels heavy and deeply relaxed. As you're feeling your breath in and out, you may also sense that your mind is as vast as the ocean, where deep in the ocean, beneath the surface, it's calm and clear. From that deep place in the ocean, you can look upward toward the surface. No matter what is going on in your life, no matter what those conditions are, deep in the ocean, it's calm and clear. A refreshing breeze blows in and you feel relaxed. Imagine your thoughts and feelings are like the wind blowing or the waves rolling. And continue with your breathing, letting everything become the wind and the waves. Feel how the waves come and go. Remain calm and let your thoughts move and change. Breathe. Remember that everyone experiences some anxiety. Instead of resisting, learn to welcome your thoughts and feelings, accept them, and then feel how they float away. Now listen to the music and relax your mind even further. Once you're able to relax your body from head to toe, your mind will feel more relaxed, and your overall stress levels will decrease as well. Now, when you're ready, take in a deep breath and bring your attention back to where you are. You've done an amazing job relaxing and using your brilliant mind to think about things in new ways. So, bring back all the feelings of goodness and allow that to guide this wonderful day. Now, gently open your eyes and be proud of you. Namaste.